So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Make sure you also follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So remember, we need to know what the trend is, right? And since we want to know what markets will be doing for the week, we need to go to our weekly time frame. So what can you say the trend is on your weekly time frame? It is very clear that this is an uptrend move. You can see that market is what trending to the upside. So in markets, basically we tend to have three movements. One, it's either market is trending to the upside, or market is literally trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you're most likely going to find in the market. But when you take a look at what market is doing right here on your gold, you can see that we are very much trending to the upside. So this is very much a bullish move, right? This is the market move. Now guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is the impulsive move. Remember, we are only starting from here just for quick analysis, right? This is just for quick analysis. We are starting from here. So this is the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move. Here comes what? The corrective phase, right? Which is a pullback. Market then push up again to form another impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. Now market has now pushed up again to form another impulsive move. This is the pullback phase, which is the corrective phase. So market has now come to test this level, serving as a support zone, right? Which was a crucial level previous on that level, right? That is a crucial level. Market has reacted to this level multiple times. Now, guess what market is doing? Market is now pushing up. So you can see that market is now pushing up. Guess what market will do? Market will continue that push until it is able to fully take out this high. Now, this is for position traders. Traders that would like to hold their position for the next 6 to 12 months. If you would want to hold your position for the next 6 to 12 months, going for the buy on your buy position, because in the long run, guys, gold will push up. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So now take a look at this within this daily time frame. Remember, this was once a rejection zone, right? But when you zoom it in right in your daily time frame, guess what market did right here? Market did give us a double bottom. You all know what a double bottom is. It means a reversal movement. Previously, market was trending to the downside. It was dropping, right? But the market eventually did a double bottom, meaning market is now changing from a downtrend to now an uptrend. So this is one of the reasons why market was able to push up to break the neckline. It came back, it tested the neckline, which you can see as the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again. You can see it. Market then was able to push up again towards form a new higher high. So you can see that market literally pushed up to form a new higher high that took out this previous high, right? It took out this previous high. Here comes the higher low right here. So this is the pullback phase, which is the higher low. So with this pullback phase, which is the higher low, guess what we will be expecting again next on gold? Of course, we will be expecting gold to push up against it, to form a new higher high by taking out this high. So this coming week, which is this week and the upper week, within this, we say within 2 weeks, right? Gold should be giving us a bullish move that will eventually clear this high, thereby forming a new higher high. Such a movement should be giving us nothing less than 200 pips on the run. So this is about nothing less than 2000 about 200 pips, sorry. So this will be giving us nothing less than 200 pips, right? So we will be expecting market to push up for a very, very long time, right? So a bullish move is exactly what we'll be expecting. More than 2000 pips is what we are going to be expecting. And if you take a look at it right here, this movement is about 200 pips, right? So we will be expecting nothing less than 2000 pips, right, on this year gold. But right now, what is market doing? What is the current trend? Market is currently trending downward. Market is currently dropping. So let's see gold give us some more drop this to form a new low before it eventually start pushing up. That we start forming a new high. So guys, what market will likely do is give us some more drop. That you take out this low. Once it takes out the low, then market can now start pushing up from this level. So market can now start rejecting from this zone and start pushing up. So above all, what we are trying to say is that a bullish move for the week is what we'll be expecting on gold. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.